Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my Vanguard investment with you and give an update on my portfolio for January 2023. Let's get started. But first, I started investing 2 months ago in 2022 and I didn't know anything about it. But with a bit of research and motivation, today I know exactly where to put my money for the best return. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing your money. 2022 proved to be a difficult year for investing, as the cost of living and inflation increased by 11% in the UK and 6.5% in the US. Adding to the already challenging market condition, the S&P 500 benchmark index ended the year with 90% loss, making it even harder for investors to earn a profit. However, if you're investing for the long term, it could be considered a good year, as the stock price dropped, providing an opportunity to buy at a lower price. Let me know in the comment section below if you bought or sold any of your investment during the market decline. Now let's move to my Vanguard investments. So my current ISA value is £5,610. Let's have a look at my investments. %63% of my portfolio is invested in S&P 500. I own 57 units of the fund with an average price per unit of £61.86. I have a positive return of £13.09. 9.14% is allocated in Japan ETF. I own 21 units of the fund with an average price of £23.71. 5.01% is allocated to developed Europe exclude UK. 0.77% is allocated to develop Asia Pacific exclude Japan. 8.82% is allocated to FTSE 250. And 12.48% is allocated to emerging markets. Let's have a look at the performance. Not much happened on the graph. Let's check the calculation. So I invested £5,505, have a return of investment of £105. I also got some dividends, £10.61. That makes a total of £105. Let's check the month. In November, I began with an initial investment of £1,500 and I had a positive return of £11.53. In December, I invested an additional £2,005 and by the end of the month I had a negative return of £81.63. This month I invested an additional £2,000 and I have a positive return of £105. That's not bad at all. Investments. Insights. So you can see 99% of my portfolio is invested in equities and 1% in cash. 5% in Europe, 63% in North America, 9% in United Kingdom, 2% in Middle East, Africa, 10% in Asia Pacific, 9% in Japan, 4.1% in Apple, 3.5% in Microsoft, and so on. In my next video, I'll explain why I chose to buy 6 different funds instead of one global fund like VWRL. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. It helps my small channel grow. My name is Michael, and see you in the next one. Peace.